nais ko lang pong humingi ng payo. Isa po akong college student, graduating. A year ago, nagkaroon po ako ng nobya. Pareho po kami ng school at graduating na rin. Isa po siyang architecture student at ako naman ay isang preschool teacher. Last year, naghiwalay po kami dahil sa pag-aaral. Nagsabay po kasi yung OJT, schoolwork at family problem kaya nag-lead to break up yung relationship namin. After a week, nagkausap po ulit kami from legal na relasyon ay naging illegal po kami. Bumalik kami sa mga dating gawain ng magnobyo at nobya, gala, kain, at bonding sa mga favorite spots namin. Though wala nang kami dahil mahal ko siya, DJ Chloe, kaya I just went with the flow. But she left me again last November. Naging ako naman po yung abala sa OJT. Sa pagpasok ng taon, na-divert yung attention ko sa pagtuturo. But lately, after 1 month, na di niya ako kinokontak, nagkita ulit kami dahil nalalapit na yung birthday niya. By the way, I made a promise to her nung kami pa na lagi niya akong kasama mag-celebrate ng birthday niya. I love her so much, Chloe, kaya lagi kong ginagrab yung opportunity na makasama o makausap siya. Hindi ko na iniisip kung may kami o wala. Ayos lang din sa akin na napapasaya ko siya. I understand na kailangan namin maghiwalay para makapag-focus sa personal goals namin. Pero Chloe, bigla-bigla na lang siyang nawawala at bumabalik. Yung assurance na gusto ko, hindi ko alam kung mahal niya pa ba ako o hindi. Help me, Chloe, to clear the things sa akin. Thank you and God bless. Haven. Dear Haven, you will never get the assurance that you have been wanting to get from someone who never wants to commit. You said it yourself. Wala nang kami pero ginagawa niyo ang mga gawain ng isang may kami. So it's clear that friends with benefits ang gusto niya and she doesn't want to be called your girl. Diba? Alam mo nga ako and at the same time, nababahala sa mga ganitong setup, no? Kasi para sa akin talaga parang parehas kayo lugi, pero parang mas nasa losing end yung babae. Kasi what if mabuntis siya? Okay, granting na maingat, hindi nabubuntis, pero you know, that is an ultimate expression of love kasi eh. You do it only, repeatedly, with someone you love, and if you do it, just for the sake of doing it, then you should think about doing it every time. Sa part mo, okay lang eh. Kasi mahal mo naman siya eh. You two are not exclusively, probably, seeing each other. Baka mamaya kasi, dahil wala naman kayong usapan na kayong dalawa, hindi kayo committed or something, baka mamaya, meron pang iba, hindi mo naman, paalamin, paano yon? Halimbawa, is it okay with you kung if she's also seeing someone else? Or if you are seeing someone else and you're physical with that person, okay lang din ba sa kanya? Nawawala siya at bumabalik kasi pagbalik niya, andyan ka pa rin. That's the truth. If she doesn't want a commitment, then by all means, ikaw naman, stop taking advantage of her. Ini-encourage mo ang behavior niyang ganyan by being there when she needs a companion, especially physical, diba? Baka kasi na-encourage mo pa yung pagiging promiscuous niya, diba? So, you want me to make things clear for you? Parang wala namang kayo. Kung wala kayong usapan na maayos, wala kayong label, o di parang walang kayo. Diba? So, yun nga, baka ini-encourage mo pa siya sa ganyang klaseng setup, tapos wala namang kayo. Ba't hindi mo tanungin kung mag-ano kayo? Baka sakaling mas malinawan ka. And then from there on, you decide. If she doesn't want to commit and that's okay with you, and then you decide. Pero kung hindi, it's for you to decide kung if you still want to do it, keep doing it with her, na ganun lang kayo, or you want some clarity from this situation. All right? So, thank you so much, Haven, for your letter. I do hope I was able to help.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.